Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Christmas Crastachio Crunch. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Mama Randy Makes Candy told me about a candy bark she saw made with pistachios and dried cranberries. I thought it sounded pretty tasty, so I did some research and found a recipe on the Taste of Home website that I thought would be perfect. There's a link to the website in the description. I decided to make the holiday colors pop a little more by adding red and green sprinkles. The result is a bark that's chewy and crunchy and sweet and salty and is everything you could hope for in a holiday candy. Oh, I also changed the name because theirs was boring. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Christmas Crastachio Crunch, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 cup of chopped pistachios, 3/4 of a cup of dried cranberries, 5 ounces of white candy coating, and some red and green sprinkles. I also used a microwave-safe bowl, a large baking sheet, a silicone baking mat, a couple of spatulas, and a piping bag. Okay, let's make some candy. Microwave the chocolate chips for 30 seconds, then stir. Repeat until the chocolate is fully melted and smooth, then stir in 3/4 of a cup of the toasted pistachios and about half of the dried cranberries. Spread the chocolate mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Sprinkle the remaining pistachios and cranberries over the top, then gently press them into the chocolate. Melt the white candy coating in the microwave using the same 30-second intervals, stirring between each one until smooth, and then drizzle the melted white chocolate over the bark. Immediately dust it with the red and green sprinkles. Work fast here so the sprinkles actually stick. Refrigerate it until the bark is completely set, about 30 to 45 minutes, and then cut or break the bark into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. But not here. Let's go visit the guys at Pot of Thunder and see what they think.
Yeah, it works. If this was on some kind of dish in a large quantity, you know, at a Christmas celebration or something, it would be dangerous for me. I would just eat that instead of anything else.
And I'm a huge pistachio fan.
Oh yeah,
Love them.
well, I mean, the bark is, because I'm a big texture guy, so it's chewy and it's crunchy.
Yeah, I like that.
So I like those layers. And then it's sweet and it's salty. So I'm real big on the contrasts within a candy. I mean, sometimes, you know, you get just like a good chocolate fudge or something, and it's good. But
Hmm.
once in a while, you want to mix it up a little bit.
Yeah, and this has contrast texture-wise and flavor-wise, so it's win-win.
Big thanks to the Pot of Thunder crew for helping with the taste test. If you want to see the rest of that episode, where we talk about one of my new favorite Christmas songs, there's a link in the description. And if you're looking for a Christmas candy that hits all the right notes, sweet, salty, crunchy, and festive, you really ought to try these. Repeat this process until